My name is Nick Duelund and I won Paasisavut 2023. Imagine this. You spend years doing your research in Greenland and now you have a chance to share it with the best audience in Greenland. I didn't expect such a huge buzz about our research before we participated last year. But the attention after the show was incredible. Suddenly people knew what we were doing, what kind of research we are conducting in Greenland, and it is amazing. Because Paasisavut taught me one crucial thing. Your research doesn't end when you have your results, but disseminating back to the public is just as important. And doing it through Paasisavut is an adventure in itself. Because the coaching we received prior to the show was phenomenal. We had a science journalist who made our geeky drafts of a talk into captivating stories. And we had an actor who made sure that standing on the stage is not dangerous, it's actually fun. So if you're passionate about your research and you're ready to take it to the next level, then please hurry up and apply for Paasisavut 2024.